Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful edition of your favorite novel? This one is the right one for you.
So Little Women is one of my favorite classic books by Louisa May Alcott. This edition is by Puffin Books and it's beautifully illustrated by Anna Bond. You can see all the detail on it, the beautiful gold engraving, and just by opening just the beginning, you see the beautifully illustrations of the four sisters. It has somewhere where you can put your name on and make this book permanently yours. So the illustrations on the cover and the side of the book are just beautiful. As I had mentioned, the artist is Anna Bond, who does the illustrations for Rifle Paper Company. So if this is your style, then this book will be a perfect addition to your book collection.
I'm sure this novel is going to make a perfect addition to your collection, but that's just my point of view.